Hi Morgan, my name is Jeff and I'm a co-founder of Logo Leads, and I believe my wife Megan spoke with Angela recently about a quick website audit to show you where your company is currently ranking, and was nice enough to pass along your information. In this video, I'll go over a few specifics on how to rank your site and how to beat your competition online. The three things we're going to go over today are content, backlinks, and citations. Now, content is anything on the front page of your site that Google can read, so all the text on the front page, all the text within your images, and whatever your images are saved as. Now, to be considered an authority in Google's eyes, you're going to want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on your front page, and you're going to want it to be stuffed with content that has to do with buyer intent. So for you specifically, you'd be looking at things like electrician Shreveport, Shreveport electrician. Those do yield different results, and other keyword phrases along those lines. That way, when anyone types those searches into Google, your website will be the one that pops up. Now, looking at your website, I really like how clean and professional it is. It is extremely easy to navigate. I love how you have a call to action here, and your service pages are separated out onto their own separate pages, which is great for allowing them to rank themselves. Now, one of the things that I would highly recommend is including some reviews and testimonials on your homepage, because it is the front door to your website, and whenever users come in, they like to see those other customer interactions and reviews of your previous projects. Another thing that I did want to bring to your attention, and this is purely just from a functional point of view, if it works for you and it is doing things for you, then I would certainly keep it. But this pop-up that comes up whenever you first enter the site, you are slightly penalized by Google for having unsolicited pop-ups on your site. Now, if you have noticed that people, or if you're able to track, if people are actually clicking on this as a form of getting in contact with you, then by all means it is doing its job. However, if you're not getting any activity on it and it's also penalizing you in terms of search engine optimization, then it may be worth looking into removing that or finding another way to have a call to action here at the top of the page, which you do already, but you definitely want to have many of those throughout the page. One of the main things I would definitely say, though, is certainly trying to get your page to that 1,500 to 2,000 word mark. You do have quite a bit of content on here. I would say probably around 500, maybe 400 to 500 words of content. And the reason for that is it allows you to target specific keyword phrases throughout your homepage, and you want it to appear organic to Google, as opposed to just shoving a bunch of keywords in there. Google is smart enough to realize that that's what you're doing. So by keeping a ratio of about one keyword phrase to every 100 to 150 words of content, that will build your site as both credible as well as trustworthy, and not making it appear like you're just trying to shove keywords in there so it can rank. So on your separate back pages, again, I do like how you do that. You want to keep those to about 500 words of content. That allows you to target between 3 to 5 keywords on those back pages as well, trying to maximize the amount of volume that's going into your site. Now, the next thing I wanted to go over is something called backlinks. The thing with Google is that it can be like a popularity contest, because they judge you based on how many websites are pointing back at you. It's very important to remember, however, that not all backlinks are created equal. So that means that you're going to gain a lot more influence and power from a backlink that's related to your industry. For example, an electrician blog that mentions your company, or a popular website that features various types of home services. Those are all related to your service industry. You're going to get a lot more power and influence from something like that, as opposed to, for example, like your local Domino's pizza. So a tool that we use to measure and analyze backlinks and traffic is called Ahrefs. And as you can see here, I'm getting it pulled up. We have 188 backlinks from 38 different domains. That means there's 38 websites pointing back to you 188 times. And based on the credibility and the trustworthiness of those backlinks, so on and so forth, you are getting about 33 for your organic traffic per month, which is decent. That is a decent amount of traffic going to your website. Again, that's over a monthly period. Now, taking a look at your organic keywords, about a third, a little more than a third of those are people just searching your name. So that's not necessarily new clients or new customers. It's people probably that are already familiar with your business, just as a side note. Wanted to compare that to your top competitor, at least online for SEO purposes. That's Jack Spring Electrical Contractors. They have 523 backlinks from 65 domains, and their organic traffic is 83. And so they're getting quite a bit, about a little less than triple the traffic that you are. And a lot of theirs are keywords that are pretty buyer intent. Again, electrician Shreveport, Shreveport electrician Bossier City, so on and so forth. So last thing I wanted to talk to you about is something called citations. Now, citations are very important when it comes to people going into Google to search for your service. So as you can see here, we're going to search for electrician Shreveport. First thing that pops up is going to be this thing here called a Google Map Pack. And the way to get into this map pack, as you can already see your name here, is through citations. I wanted to bring this up to you because there is a vast difference in the amount of traffic that ends up clicking into this map pack from the first and second position. About 70% of the people that click into this end up picking that top spot. About 20% go to McNeer, or to the second spot where you are at, McNeer, and then the third spot gets about 10%. So I would just suggest going after some more citations. Again, that is just the name, address, and phone number of your business across the various directories online. You're already, I'm sure, familiar with many of them: Angie, Home Advisor, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. There's hundreds of them out there. You just want to have more than your top competitor. A typical strategy that we employ is for both backlinks and citations is going in, mimicking what they have, and then building a 20 to 30% cushion on top of that, and then just adding on over time to make sure that you retain that top spot. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you'd like to discuss it any further, please feel free to contact Megan. Her number is 210-865-0718. Thank you so much again, and have an excellent rest of your day.